Hi, Doc. I'm Dr. Yemi Umuago. I'm an international medical graduate who relocated to Canada in 2018. Prior to that, I finished my residency in community medicine and completed my fellowship as a fellow of West Africa College of Physicians in 2017. On getting to Canada, various factors of lifestyle needs made me decide that I didn't want to practice medicine anymore. I have 5 sons. My husband is also a doctor. I wanted something that would make me available to my children during their growing years. At the time I relocated, they were between 3 months old to 9 years. So I looked for something else to do. And in my research, I found out that I had skills I could transfer to something else, and that was financial care. And so for 5 years now, I have been helping people on their money journey in the abroad. The truth is, managing money in anywhere at all, especially in a new country, has a lot of learning to cover. And for me, it's been an exciting journey understanding how credit works, understanding how to use life insurance, understanding the different kinds of investments. And I've enjoyed sharing this knowledge and information with other doctors who have immigrated and have arrived Canada. Many have called me at different times. I've shared what I understood, coached them through different stages, help them understand how to use debt efficiently, how to limit the amount of debt they take on, help them to see different investment types that exist, help them understand cash flow planning and how to make sense of managing the money that comes in to meet the needs and still have something to save. In fact, saving first is what is recommended. So, I'm having a 5 part webinar series, Winning with Money for Canadian Doctors. Doctors in Canada, yes, they might earn a lot of money, those when they eventually start practice. But prior to that, there's a lot going on with money that many are not able to grapple with. And a lot of doctors are actually growing debts that they need to do something about as soon as possible. So, during this 5 part webinar, I'll be talking about retirement numbers. How ready are we for retirement? Many of us started practicing late, started earning this high income late, and we have maybe 15 to 20 years to really do the hard work of getting ready to stop working. So, understanding our retirement numbers, that's going to be the first thing we'll discuss on November 9th. Then, on November 16th, we're going to be talking about cash flow planning, how to save interest costs and direct our money towards what we really want our money to go for. And then on November 23, we'll be talking about the different types of investments, how they work, and which one suits us. So some of us are risk averse. We understand what risk really means and what kind of risks that we can actually take on. And then on November 30th, we'll be talking about smart tax planning, how to keep more of the money that we earn for ourselves. And on December 7th, it'll be talking about estate planning and intergenerational wealth transfer. So join me. It's all going to be virtual and 5:30 p.m. Mountain Time or 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time on Sunday. You don't want to miss it. Tell this to another doctor who needs to understand money so that they can get started on their track to financial freedom.